Hey Jacob, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
You enjoying your vision?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, awesome. That's great. That's what we want here on this fall visit. So let's take a look at your eyes and see how they look today. Beautiful. Okay, place your chin here for me. Keep your eyes closed for a second. Blink, blink, blink. Open wide. Beautiful. Looks fantastic. Close your eyes for me. Let's take a look at your left eye now. Beautiful, Jacob. Your eyes are fantastic. They're healing really well. I'm sure you're enjoying your vision, correct? Yeah, wake up every morning being able to see.
Oh, man.
That's
so
great.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
So, how's your experience been so far?
Really good. The biggest thing I noticed was how quick I was able to transition into, like, not having to, like, worry about it.